Hey guys, welcome back to the Atreyu channel. I do hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing 3 reasons why locticians have never touched my locks. Let's get to it.
Atreyu is back, yeah. Atreyu is back, yeah. Atreyu is back, yeah. Atreyu.
So, as I said, we're going to be talking about 3 reasons why no loctician has ever touched these locks. Really, it just comes down to 3 things: product, money, and tension. Let's delve a little bit deeper. So, product. One main reason that I don't go to locticians is because I don't trust the products that they use. I feel like the default product that the majority of locticians use is some sort of viscous substance, like a gel, like a locking gel to be more precise. And I don't feel like having to fight with locticians, asking them what they use. I mean, I understand there are things called consultations, and I also understand that you can request to have the loctician use your products. But I feel like a lot of locticians feel some type of way when you do that. It's like, you're coming to see me, trust what I use, and don't be trying to give me your products to use. I do know that some locticians are okay with using the products that their clients bring in, as long as they can get the money, they don't care, right? But I just don't really feel like having to even think about it or having to research what they use. So that's number 1. Number 2, money. I feel like you can't necessarily trust locticians to charge you a decent price to get your locks retwisted or interlocked or whatever method you use, especially if you happen to live in an area where locticians are hard to come by. Because in those areas, locticians can charge whatever they want, because who else is gonna do it, right? You can't, because you don't know how to, and if there are no other locticians around, you're kind of forced to pay their steep price if you want to get your hair done. So price is number 2. The 3rd reason that I mentioned was tension. Now, I remember growing up, I used to get cornrows. My sister, God bless her soul, she can braid the crap out of some hair. But when you talk about the tension that she used, it was no joke. After a fresh cornrow session with my sister, my eyes would be like this, like just frozen, because my scalp was so tight. I would have a headache. And yeah, maybe I'm traumatized from when I was a kid, but yeah, I cannot trust the tension that a loctician will use as she retwists my locks, especially since she doesn't know how tender-headed I am. And really, that's the risk that you run whenever you let anyone else do your hair. They don't know how it feels to you because it's not their head, it's not their scalp, but you know. So these are the 3 reasons why I have not seen a loctician and don't ever plan on seeing one. Even if Yanni the lockologist randomly called me one day and said, "Atreyu, I want to do your locks for free. I want to bless your scalp. I want to bless your crown," I would be hard pressed to say yes to that offer, because 1, as you saw in my last video, I like to have control over my own lock quests. I like the idea of nurturing and molding and forming my own locks. 2, I just don't trust other people. I would probably trust Yanni, but I still probably wouldn't let her do it, because I just take pride in taking care of my own locks. So why go to a loctician when you have to fight to get the products you want used, even if that product is water, in my case? Why go to a loctician to pay them to do your locks when you can do it yourself for free? And why go to a loctician when you run the risk of developing traction alopecia? It just seems like a no-brainer to me. Now, obviously, not everyone can maintain their own hair, and obviously there are good locticians out there, and I want to thank you, good locticians out there. I feel like you're hard to come by, hard to find. But God bless you for being out there, because there are people who really need you. So if you have enjoyed this video, press that like. I want to see how many likes I can get when you guys actually make a concerted effort to hit that like button. And drop down below in the comment section and give me your thoughts. Do you see Locticians? Do you go to them? If you do they use the products that you give them, or do they use their own products? If they use their own products, do you feel like you can't tell them or suggest to them to use your products? Like, why is that the case? And if you take care of your own hair, let me know that as well. As always, please learn to love unconditionally, because loving with conditions conditions the heart to not really love at all. So Atreyu is out.